Becoming a new parent is magical, messy, and we have to be honest, it is exhausting. But guess what? You've got this. Hi, and welcome to cozychats.com, your space for practical parenting tips and support. Today, we're talking about the first year of challenges and sharing tips to help you navigate this incredible journey of parenthood. So, meal prep before baby arrives. One of the best things you can do before your baby arrives is meal prep. Cook and freeze some easy to reheat meals. Trust me, when you're juggling feeding, nappy changes, and a whole new routine, you'll be so grateful for that ready to go meal that you already cooked and prepped. Make life easy on yourself. We have to be honest. Parenthood isn't the time to try and do everything perfectly. Use shortcuts where you can. Express milk if you can. If not, don't worry. If you're planning to breastfeed, it's still a good idea to have formula on hand just in case. The goal is to make life easier for yourself, not harder. So don't put too much pressure on yourself. Communicate with your partner. This new chapter is a team effort. Talk to your partner or caregivers about your parenting styles, expectations, and even those little things you notice that your baby likes. Communication is key to keeping everything manageable. Sleep when the baby sleeps. I know everyone says this, but it's true. Try to sleep when the baby sleeps, especially in those newborn days. Lack of sleep is real, and even a little nap while your baby sleeps can make all the difference. Lean on the support of your village. If you have family or friends nearby, don't be afraid to ask for help. And if you don't have a village, lean on your partner. Sharing the load makes a world of difference. You're in this together. Soak up every moment. Most importantly, don't forget to enjoy it. Everyone says it, but the newborn days, as overwhelming as they might seem, they go by so quickly. So enjoy all those cuddles and even those midnight feeds and embrace it all. So let's summarize. Prepare ahead, give yourself some grace, rest, lean on the support of your village and soak up all those magical moments. You're doing an amazing job and you've got this. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to follow us and check out cozychats.com for more practical parenting tips and support.